Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here in Kazakhstan. I'm on the services booth. So Mr. Jan Dolat is here with me. He will explaining what Huawei is offering. So before going towards the booth, I want to introduce the Huawei Global Support Community. It is a wonderful platform. You can join it and you can participate as an author, or maybe you can share your knowledge as well. You can participate as a webinar host as well. And there are a lot of roles available, so you can share your knowledge with other community member users, or you can learn from that community as well. And there's another option. You can ask questions from the experts, so you can get support in 24 hours. I will strongly recommend this to you to join this community, and hopefully it will help you to grow your career as well. So now I will hand over to Mr. Jan Dolat to explain you the services booth. So please, Jan.
Hello everybody, my name is Jan Dolat. I am from Kazakhstan, Almaty city. So today we're having a technical carnival for partners, for customers, and basically today we're explaining enterprise services for partners. So here we go. Briefly, I'll try to explain what we have today. So we divided for four parts, sorry. The first part is the talent certification, which includes Huawei talent and HCA certification. The first one is basically about the ICT Academy, which we have in Kazakhstan, around 30 ICT academies to grow new talents for Huawei, for partners and for customers. So we teach them there. The second one is certification part. It includes different certificates such as HCA, HCAP and HCAE. So partners and customers anytime can pass these exams and then get the qualification by themselves. The second one is learning. How to get this.
I have a good question here. These certifications are free of cost, or customer have to pay?
Yeah, we have the two choices. Sometimes we can have free trainings. We have a budget for partners where they can get the free trainings from us, but it is limited. Okay. Every year is different, so they can participate and get the trainings for free and pass the exam for free. If there is no, if the budget is finished, so they can pay themselves, we can provide the trainings, online, on-site trainings, and then they can get the vouchers and pass the exams.
Okay.
So the second part is learning, how to get the certificates. The first we just talked about the certificates, right? So how to get the knowledge, how to learn. It is a learning part. So we have the partner university, which includes different solutions, different services. To study, to get the documents, online courses, to study by themselves, right? So it is the partner university. The second one is service college, which called service college. It includes in the partner university. It is basically focused on the service. We can teach customers, partners, how to get the knowledge for certification. And the third one is a live webinar. It says by itself, live is online courses where partners can get the courses for themselves. To get the upcoming courses by web, online, and get to study the courses which they want.
Actually, I just want to add something. In Huawei Support Global Community, there are also webinars available. So
yes,
partners, customer can participate on webinar as well.
Yes,
so
exactly.
They can provide webinars for the customer, for partner, for knowledge sharing.
Yes,
so,
exactly.
So that one is the second option.
Yes, we have the list of the webinars which is upcoming for the next months, so they can register by themselves and get the knowledges from it. And the third one is a practice, of course. After getting the knowledges, we have to practice it by ourselves, the partners, to implement the solutions, to make the solutions ready, to give it to customer. Mm-hmm. So what we do is a practice. It is a upcoming solutions. It's like more on cloud, based on cloud. It is a simulations. So first is a solution courses, where partner can get the knowledge about solutions. They can simulate the stuff, prepare everything like they're implementing the solution by themselves to train engineers. The second is online lab. It is the same thing. They can go online and do study by themselves on lab. They have different simulators inside, different type of equipment, IT, IP, transmission, so on. Yeah. And the third one is ENSP Lite. We call it is mostly about the IP stuff. IP simulators. Customers and partners, they can study it simulated on this cloud platform. And the fourth one is eStore. eStore is the same thing for as a ENSP, but it is mostly about IT stuff, IT equipment. They can simulate
Storage. You can simulate storage.
Yes, simulate it on the cloud. You can make a configuration. You can combine the configurations. I mean, you can do it, practice it by yourself. Yeah, and the last one is fulfillment. This is we have different platforms such as Support E, which is very familiar for everybody. I mean, we use this one. The customer and the partners can use this platform to make to create the tickets, to open the SRs, to check their equipment, to check all information about the equipment, and they can have a manual service as well. So this is very useful. They can check through the serial number SN. They can check the US time, the service validity time, of the equipment. So the second one, I know APP is the same platform, but it's on APP on your phone. You can download it on iOS, on another platforms, and then you can check it by yourself. It's very convenient, so you don't have to go on laptop. You check it for yourself in your pocket.
You can scan it from your mobile.
Yeah, from your
device.
mobile.
You can scan.
You can scan it. You can scan the SN, and you can get the information about your.
If you are in a data center, you just scan the serial number automatically.
Yes, exactly. Automatically.
Information will automatically go to the app.
You can also contact the TAC, Technical Support Center, for the support. So it's very convenient.
Very useful.
Yes, ESDP is very common for us to follow the projects. I mean, from the beginning to the end, you can have the BOQs, the PO numbers, and everything you can have in ESDP to control the projects. Self-services includes different services such as we know. I mean, we have the manual robot. I mean, automatic robot. You can send the questions, it will answer you automatically. You can get different answers through this platform. And the second option is a big community inside. We have a big community of customers, of partners, where you can register and then you can send your questions. If they have the same questions, I mean, you can help yourself, you get some knowledge, share your experience, and solve your problems. The service tool and info center, the same thing. From the service tool, you can have the different type of equipment, for example, IT, datacom, transmission, WLAN, so on. So you can have different tools to help you to implement, to make design, to make implementation for your projects, and also to make a design of the projects, so on. So it's very useful. So that's it. I tried to explain everything briefly.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.